Hey everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix payment revision needed on Amazon. To fix this, all you have to do is 1. Go to your orders. So you navigate to that section of your Amazon account, locate the specific order that has payment revision needed notification, and next to the order you should see an option like reverse payment method or retry payment method, so click on it. Next, you'll be prompted to either select one of your existing payment methods or add a new one. After selecting or adding your payment information, you can click Retry Payment or a similar button to resubmit your payment. It's as simple as that. Please always verify your card details, check billing addresses, make sure you have sufficient funds or credit limits, and also contact your bank if the issue persists. It's available to contact them or the credit card company to ensure there are no holds or restrictions on your account that might be preventing the transaction. They can also inform you if the decline was on their end. So, review any emails or notification from Amazon for specific details about why the payment failed. You can also use the Amazon website rather than the mobile app to resolve the issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the payment revision needed error